Hey guys, I saw you liked the $500 PC build with the Intel Core i3 9100F. So today I have another build from $500 with an AMD Ryzen 3 3200G. Let's get started. So first of all, the CPU. Like I said, it's the Ryzen 3 3200G. It's clocked at 3.6 GHz and you can overclock it to 4 GHz. It has 4 cores. The motherboard I have chosen is the ASRock B450M AC Micro ATX motherboard. It's a really nice board for that price point. There are 6 USB Type A ports, 1 Ethernet port, 1 HDMI port and 3 audio ports. It also has 2 connectors for Wi-Fi antennas. The RAM is the Evo Potenza 2x8GB DDR4 3000 memory. You can extend the memory because there are 4 slots on the motherboard. We also have a 240GB solid state drive from Team L3 Evo. Of course, this isn't enough for all your stuff, so also we have chosen the Hitachi Ultrastar 2TB 7200 RPM internal hard drive, or HDD. If you want to game, you of course need a graphics card. This one is from Radeon. It's the XFX RX 570 4GB video card. It's really good for this price. Oh wait, before I forget, please leave a like and subscribe. I really like the support. Then the case. This one is from Deepcool. It's the Matrix 30 Micro ATX Mini Tower. It's a tiny case, but it's really good for all the stuff we have. This machine of course needs power. It only needs around 350 watts, but I am going for the Corsair CXM 2015 edition, 450 watts, 80 plus bronze certified power supply. I've chosen this because it's semi-modular and it's a really good power supply. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye!